Healthy soil plays a crucial role in achieving the Green New Deal's goals to improve the health of the environment, economy, and population. Here are 5 reasons why regenerative agriculture might be the nonpartisan unifier the Green New Deal needs. 1. Investing in soil health. The deal would invest in practices that increase soil health. We can implement a regenerative agriculture system to rebuild and improve the health of our soils. 2. Supporting family farms. The Green New Deal will work with farmers and ranchers, many of which feel the effects of our current degraded agricultural system. 3. Healthy soil equals clean water and reduced flooding. Regenerative agriculture increases healthy soil systems that replenish clean water sources by increasing infiltration and reducing polluted runoff. This is of essential importance as the resolution is guaranteeing universal access to clean water and reduced risks posed by flooding. 4. Healthy soil equals less greenhouse gas. The legislation seeks to reduce pollution in agriculture by utilizing low-tech solutions that increase soil carbon storage and eliminating greenhouse gas point source pollution. Lost soil carbon, as well as nitrous oxide from over-application of nitrogen fertilizers, are contributing to those emissions. Building soil through regenerative agriculture can pull billions of tons of CO2 out of the air and eliminate the need for nitrogen fertilizers. 5. Healthy soil equals healthy food. The Green New Deal ensures universal access to healthy and affordable food and nature. Regenerative agriculture builds back living soil. Soil microbes make minerals available to plants and therefore the food we eat, increasing its nutritional value. We can build a regenerative system that would increase the accessibility of nutrient-dense, safe food for all communities. We need your help to support the Green New Deal. Go to sunrisemovement.org/call to contact your representatives and ask them to support the Green New Deal and soil regeneration components.